When we're talking about video, the second most important thing is audio. And today I'll be unboxing the Razer Seiren Mini. Let's go. Hi there and welcome to Miss Mobile Tech. My name is Isabella and I will be showing you an unboxing of the Razer Seiren Mini. So let's see, shall we? Here we go. Let's see what the Razer Seiren Mini is all about. Here on the left side of the box there is some information about the build, about the Mini itself, that it's plug and play with USB, just plugs and plays. And here on the bottom we have what is in the box. We'll see that in a second, of course, and also what is needed, which is interesting. A PC with a free USB port, well, duh. And Windows 7 64-bit or higher. There's also some technical specifications that you need for this to work good. I'll leave it like this for a second for you to see. And this is, well, I'm guessing sort of the same, but I'm not too sure. If anyone can tell me, great. Then I have here Razer, the logo, that's it. And here on the back we have a simple notion of what is this microphone all about. Well, that is all fascinating, but let's open this puppy up. When we open it up, you see a note from Razer. Oh, this note is attached to the rest. There we go. A note from Razer with something holding it together. Seiren Mini, oh, this gets through. This is a note from the CEO. Thank you very much, we appreciate it, thank you. Then we have Razer Seiren Mini booklets, which, oh, okay, you can unfold like this. Ooh, and some stickers. Stickers. And this is basically how it works, how the stand works, how it plugs into your computer, the input you should choose, things like that, and that in various languages. Here we go. Then we have a power cable here, which is micro USB. And here we have Razer on this thing. It's just a normal USB, but it is green, of course, because that is their signature color. I like that little touch. I love it. Oh, I love things like this. I am like a complete neat freak when it comes to cable management. So this, awesome, awesome. Thank you, Razer. Love it. Okay, this is for the stand. For the stand of the Razer. Then we have here the mount base of the Razer Seiren Mini. It's just simple. Oh, it's a bit heavy. That's good because it keeps it on its place. And this is a little sort of soft cushioning. I like this. I like this. Yes. Great. And then, of course, last but not least, because there's nothing else here in this box. Nope, there is not. Last but not least, we have here the Seiren Mini itself. Ta-da! Okay, let's see. We have here on the front the word Razer. You have here a little LED which probably lights up when you turn it on. Feels a bit heavy, which is good. We have here the information of the Razer Mini and the model number, Razer mic, rating, 5 volt, 250 mAh, model number. And this is the entry port for the micro USB. There's nothing else there. It's a little screw on the bottom. There's no switch on any kind apart from that on this device, because I heard someone saying that there was a mute switch. There's not. Here we go. I'm just going to put this in here. And now turn this one in here. Voila, there you have it. And this doesn't line up completely here at the bottom, but that is because you can tilt it just a little bit. There's a little ball here on the bottom, so you can angle your Razer Mini the way you want it. So if you want it just a little bit more to you, that is definitely possible. So there you have it, the Razer Seiren Mini unboxed, so you know what is in the box. And then of course the next thing we're going to try out is to plug it in. Let's go. All right, let's see here. Okay, there's this side, that is this side. Is this correct? Am I doing this correct? Yes, it is. Whoa, okay. You have to put pressure on it pretty much to get it in. Just a quick tip. Okay, I'm just going to do a test real quick. I'm going to record something on my Chromebook with the internal recorder. So now I have done 2 tests. Let's hear what the difference is, shall we? This is a test to see what the sound is like on my Chromebook C343. This is a test to see what the Razer Seiren Mini sounds like about 50 centimeters away. This is what it sounds like when you have the Razer Seiren Mini around 10 centimeters from your chin. So there you have it, my unboxing and first impressions video of the Razer Seiren Mini. So tell me, will this be a microphone for you, or are you looking for something different? Please let me know in the comments below. Once again, thank you very much for watching. If you liked it, a like would be amazing. If you loved it, a sub would be even better. And I hope you stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.